In this video, you're going to learn how to create goals. Welcome to Shannie Says. I'm Shannie, and this channel is dedicated to helping you plan, organize, and budget better. Adulting at its best. So if you're interested in these types of videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to make sure that you're notified whenever I post. So the first thing you want to do when you're setting goals is figure out your ultimate or your end goal. Without a clear destination, there will be aimless movements. So make sure you know exactly what you want the results to be. For example, if my ultimate goal is to be healthy, what exactly do I want to change? Do I want to change my weight? Do I just want to be healthy when I'm eating? What exactly is the ultimate goal? Make sure that you have a clear understanding of what that is. So the second thing you want to do is to break your ultimate goal into smaller goals. Be specific and figure out exactly what it is that you want to achieve. Set milestones. Looking at the overall goal can be overwhelming. So when you break it down into smaller goals, it helps you to stay focused and it takes away all of the pressure. Let's say the ultimate goal is to be healthy. If you set a goal to say, okay, I want to have a healthy diet by February, it's going to help you to attain the overall goal, but it's going to also keep you focused on something small to attain. So the third thing you want to do is be realistic about the goal itself. So let's piggyback off the first example. I want to have a healthy lifestyle. That's the ultimate goal. Secondly, I'm going to be more specific. I want to make sure that I have a healthy diet. So let's take it a lot further now. What if I want to become a vegan? I have to be very realistic about my goal. Can I become a vegan tomorrow? No, I'm going to eat meat. Set realistic goals that you can actually achieve. Go in small steps. What do you want to do? Take out meat or take out certain types of meat for, let's say, the next 4 weeks. And then you keep working towards that goal to meet it by the time, as say, February, March. We're going to give you a little bit of leeway. So by February, maybe you have a healthy diet, but you're not completely taking meat out of your diet, but you're still making progress to that ultimate goal. So the fourth thing you want to do is make sure you prioritize your goal. Is it really important to you? What are you willing to sacrifice? So, going back to my example, if I want to live a healthy lifestyle, but I know I have a problem with eating a lot of cake and sweets and sugar, and I know it's not healthy for me, am I willing to get rid of those things? Am I willing to sacrifice that awesome cheesecake that I love so much and maybe take it down from a cheesecake every day to maybe a cheesecake once a week or every 2 weeks? Am I willing to just take it out of my diet completely? Is it that important? Another way to make sure that you're serious is, are you willing to invest in your goals? So if I want to have a healthy lifestyle and I love smoothies, am I willing to pay the price for a NutriBullet so that I can ensure that I have smoothies every day or every morning? Something to think about. Prioritize your goal and figure out if it's something that you really, really want. The last thing you want to do is create a plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. You can create a timeline by breaking all of your goals down into months, years, weeks, or even days. Creating a plan can be challenging, so if you stay tuned for my next video, I'll walk you through how to create a plan. I know that this is a lot of information to take in, so an easy way to remember it is by following the famous or popular SMART acronym. So you want to ask yourself these questions. Is your goal specific? Is it measurable? Is it attainable? Is it relevant? And is it timely? So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll list any videos down below in the description that can be helpful to you. Also, what are your goals for 2019? I'd love to read them, so comment down below whether it's 1, 10, 20, I'd read them all. So let me know what your goals are. And remember, Shannie says, don't stress, pursue success. See you in my next video.